9:45. I'm here. Been up for about an hour. It's photo shoot day. So we're gonna get ready, and today's all about the photo shoot. I'm just doing my regular morning routine, and then I'm going to start getting ready. Gotta do the wig, gotta do the makeup, gotta find an outfit. Didn't do that yet. Gotta go to the store, and we gotta do this all before the lighting goes away. So let's get started. Look who's finally awake. When I got up this morning, I was by myself.
Who are you talking to?
The camera.
I was knocked out. I got something going on, so you know, extra sleep is important. I was so hot last night, bro. I had to take my cover off and everything.
I seen you.
And then I got cold.
What?
Be nice. Be nice. We're going to get our props.
Yeah. Last minute gang. The most ill-prepared Virgos you know.
Everything's just coming so fast. We have a lot of things to do in August, and I don't think we were prepared. So now we're getting prepared.
Yes, we're gonna go to the store, get our props. We've got pretty much everything set up at the house. And yeah, so
Got a
shower. It's exciting. Stressful, but exciting. So, yeah, come along with us on this wild adventure. All right, so we get into Target, right? And I'm looking around in the dollar section, and tell me why she tried to play me and put my stuff back. Hater.
I also don't really know my size.
Fat ass size. Good pussy size.
I do have a little bit. This is kind of cute. I mean, like, definitely can't fit me. I don't have a lot of titty, but I got more titty than this. I like the little one shoulder situation. I like that one too. That's a cute color. It's kind of cute. That's kind of cute too. My titties will fall straight out of this hole. And again, don't have many titties. But more.
Be in here with me.
See? Oh. We don't come to Target because she can't control herself.
We don't come to Target because she's a hater. You do.
I don't need any more pajama stuff.
You're annoying.
I know.
photo shoot done.
Photo shoot completed. Look at me. These are the only 2 nails I got. I'm hungry and she will not feed me.
She won't tell me what she wants.
I don't know. What do you want? I know you're hungry too.
I want to be bad.
What kind of bed?
Like burger bad.
What kind of burger bed?
Just the plant-based place closed early.
I don't know. One time we rushed over there. We made it. But we rushed over there.
Yeah, because they're open hella early too, though. They're open at like 7 or something.
You don't even get a burger from there.
No.
You get a wrap.
Oh, I'm talking about I haven't had a wrap in a long time. I don't know. Is that... It be cooked. It be like doing like a burrito, though. They don't even cut that shit.
No, that's a wrap.
I know, but they don't cut it, so it's a burrito.
No, it's a wrap. You play.
Okay, this conversation is a wrap. That was good.
She's not funny. Don't get a wife, y'all. She never feeds you.
Don't get a wife. They're very dramatic. I mean, don't get a husband either. But all right, y'all. Figure out what this girl gonna eat.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
I know. That's why we're gonna figure it out. Don't be yelling.
We're those black mamas that say bye 14 times and still don't got it.
Stay around for another 30 minutes.
45,
an hour. Saying bye to everybody and then, all right, y'all. I'm really leaving this time.
Continues.
Truly.
All right, for real. Because I'm hungry. So thank y'all for watching and we'll see you next time.
See you next time. Don't look at my fingers, please.
Bye.